Hi, in today's video, we are going to see what the standard garage sizes are and the factors to take into consideration before choosing your garage size. Let's go! Before we start, if you need a carport, garage, or metal building, you should click on subscribe and turn on notifications. That way, you won't miss out on any important tips and advice from the metal building experts at Allen's Factory Outlet. Alright, now, if you're designing your dream garage, you want to find the perfect size for you. So we'll show you several different sizes and dimensions to help you discover the perfect garage size for your not-so-standard cars. Let's start with the one-car garage. The average one-car garage size is 12 feet wide and 20 feet deep. This size is just large enough to fit one full-size car, minivan, or SUV. But if you plan to store tools, your lawnmower, and other equipment in your garage, you should opt for an 18-foot wide garage. In that case, we'll call that a 1.5 car garage. Also, you may want to consider a garage that is deeper than 20 feet, which provides extra storage space. For all those needs, you will move from 12 by 20 to 12 by 25 or even 18 by 25. Our second category is the two-car garage. A standard two-car garage size is a minimum 20 feet wide by 20 feet deep. But depending on the type of car you have, a standard 20 by 20 garage can be a bit cramped for two cars. You'll want to ensure you can open car doors without hitting the other car or the wall. A 22-foot wide garage is a more comfortable fit for two average-sized cars, and a 24-foot wide garage allows two larger vehicles to park side by side. Of course, these vehicles can fit in a garage that is 20 feet deep, but a deeper garage will provide more space. Now, let's not forget bigger families. Let's talk about the three-car garage. While the standard size for a three-car garage is 32 feet wide and 22 feet deep, a more ideal size is 36 by 24. The larger dimensions create additional room for trucks or storage. So we've talked about cars. But what are the general factors to consider to choose your garage size? We'll talk about 3 of them. Number 1, the number of vehicles. Aside from cars, you may also need parking space for motorcycles, bikes, or your golf carts. Number 2, the size of your vehicles. A full-size car, minivan, or SUV is typically 14 to 17 feet long and at least 6 feet wide. In this case, a garage size at least 24 feet deep is ideal. Number 3, storage space. If you need additional space for lawn and gardening tools or other recreational items, opt for a garage with more square footage. This will allow enough space between storage items and the parked cars inside. Okay, you now have a better idea of the best garage size for you. You just need a garage with the right amount of space for your needs. We hope you had an amazing time watching this video. If you want more detailed information on how to choose the right garage size, check out our blog post in the description. And whenever you're ready, visit our website at allensfactoryoutlet.com to start customizing your garage. There's a link in the description. We'll see you there.